Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to withdraw money from Trust Wallet to PayPal account. The first thing I want you to do, if you have any crypto, okay, I want you to go ahead and sell it. Because let's say you have Bitcoin. Go ahead and sell your Bitcoin, convert it into fiat currency. You can actually withdraw fiat currency directly to your bank account, which will be linked to PayPal. That's how you will go ahead and get it on your PayPal account. Basically the same bank account that is linked to PayPal, right? But you need to sell your crypto first. So come here, you just sell it and just make sure you sell your amount that you want to withdraw. So just go ahead and sell it. Let me show you something. So if you come to the top left, click on the gear cog to access settings. Here you'll see the trust handles, right? You'll see basically the connected bank accounts that you can go ahead and withdraw to. So let's go back, right? You just select your crypto, you go ahead and sell it to the bank account linked to PayPal, and then that way you will have money in your PayPal account that you can use. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.